This will be the elevator. Tracks 13 and 14. Penn Station, Pennsylvania Railroad Station.
You're making for the train that was remaining for you for 19.
Round.
Here at the concourse, this opens up into Long Island Railroad concourse.
See? Long Island Railroad concourse. Back down to parking.
Platform level. Here you are at the platform.
There's my Amtrak monitoring.
Go up to the concourse again. It's your basic transit system elevator. Nothing too fancy with it at all. It's very smooth, I'll go with that. Back down to the platform. Door closes when you push the button. Elevator number P7.
West of Penn Station. There's an Empire Service train idling over there.
And at the concourse.